Descript gives everyone on your team everything they need to make more video for marketing, customer outreach, support, and training. And make it faster and make it good. In Descript, you edit video by editing text. Type, delete, copy-paste. That's it. Plus, it's loaded with tools that can do stuff like clean up your audio with a click, fix your eye contact, remove all the ums and uhs, and help your team work faster and smarter every step of the way. Plus, with custom layout packs, everyone on the team can quickly create video that's on brand, on message, and on time. Watch your marketing team instantly turn every video into clips, all selected, created, and fine-tuned by Descript's AI. Turn learning and development decks into fully produced videos in minutes.
Today, we'll explore how this innovative app transforms the way you monitor and improve your credit.
And keep your global customers engaged with instant translation and dubbing in more than 20 languages.
Hoy te voy a mostrar cómo usar Credit Crazy.
That's how teams that use Descript make more video in less time with better results.